All right, so here's kind of our verdict on this Pumpkin Masters kit. I think it worked pretty well. This piece right here, the drill, it's not worth it. It's literally just, if you use this kit, just throw that away because it didn't do anything. This scoop, this is like the best thing I've ever used to carve a pumpkin. Like, it made it like so easy to get the guts out. It was awesome. This is the knife that we used to cut the top. It did bend a little bit, but we were able to straighten it back out, and it did pretty well toward the end. These two knives, they were great. This is what we used for like the fine like details, like her chin here, her mouth, her hairline up here. Those two knives were awesome. So as you can see, it's a $6 kit. I used a 50% off coupon at Michael's, so for $3, you can't beat it. And I would honestly, like, just for the knives alone, pay the $6. So, and the scoop. For the scoop alone, I'd pay $6. So, all right. All right, so these are our finished pumpkins. This is Elsa. Elsa didn't turn out too great, but Jack looks pretty good. Randall freehanded that. And this is Anna. Anna turned out pretty good. We'll shut the lights off here in a minute so you can see what she looks like in the dark. As you can see here, she looks pretty good. The nose got a little weird, but that's all right. And her mouth's a little big, but still looks pretty good. So we have these little tea lights here. They're a whole $1 from Dollar Tree, and they look pretty good inside the pumpkins. They look better in the jack-o'-lantern just because like he's got bigger cuts than Anna does, but they still look pretty good. So that's the inside of the pumpkin. There's some cuts in there still, like cut out pieces in there. Yeah, it's in there. All right. There we go. All right, I'm gonna shut the lights off so you can see what they look like in the dark. Is it getting it? Kind of. So Anna looks a little, I don't know, you can kind of see her face, but like she's missing like her outlines and her nose here. But she looks pretty good. And then Jack over here, looks like we're having a hard time picking him up on the camera. But he looks really good in the dark or with the lights off. So, but, all right. Well, that was our pumpkin carving experience. We hope you enjoy these videos, and go ahead and follow us. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Check out Silver Nickel Designs on Facebook, and we are working on getting our Etsy shop up and going. All right, I'm Samantha, and have a great night.